Bob Altmeyer, a psychologist who studies right-wing authoritarianism, says something that I think is very clearly being illustrated right now. Low RWAs, people who espouse few or no right-wing authoritarian political views, are downright suspicious of someone who agrees with them when they can see ulterior motives might be at work. They pay attention to the circumstances in which the other fellow is operating, but authoritarians do not when they like the message. If you start telling liberals everything you think they want to hear, they will become suspicious of you and suspect that you were just pandering to them. See Exhibit A. However, if you tell right-wing authoritarians what they want to hear, it doesn't matter how many times you contradict yourself, how little sense you make, or how plainly full of shit you obviously are, they will love and support you. See Exhibit B. Altmeyer also says, suppose you are a completely unethical, dishonest, power-hungry, dirtbag, scumbucket politician who will say whatever he has to say to get elected. Whom are you going to lead, high RWAs or low RWAs? Isn't it obvious? The easy sell high RWAs will open up their arms and wallets to you if you just sing their song, however poor your credibility. Those crabby low RWAs, on the other hand, will eye you warily when your credibility is suspect because you sing their song. So the scumbucket politicians will usually head for the right-wing authoritarians, because the RWAs hunger for social endorsement of their beliefs so much, they're apt to trust anyone who tells them they're right.